In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Instagram posts in Magnific AI Mobile. Let's get started right on your phone. Open Magnific AI, and once you're in, look for the AI suite along the bottom menu. Tap it, then choose Generate Images. This is where we'll build the creative for your Instagram post. Next, tap Add Refs. Choose images, then either pick from the available options or upload your own from your device. When you've made your selections, tap Select to confirm. Reference images help the AI understand your brand, subject, or visual style, so choose images that reflect the look you want. Think product shots, brand colors, or a background you love. Now move to the prompt box. Type a clear instruction like, create an Instagram post featuring my uploaded image, and add helpful details such as the vibe, colors, and any focal point. The more specific you are, such as minimalist, high contrast, warm tones, the easier it is for the AI to match your vision. If you want text in the design, mention the exact words and placement, like add a bold headline at the top. Open the settings by tapping the settings icon. Here, pick a mode such as Google Banana or other available options. Modes guide the creative style and behavior of the generator. If you're unsure, start with a general mode, then experiment to compare results. Choose how many results you want to generate and set the aspect ratio. For Instagram, square 1, 1 is a safe default. If you prefer a taller look for the feed, select 4, 5 portrait. Picking the right ratio now helps you avoid cropping later. When everything looks good, tap Generate. Depending on complexity and traffic, generation can take a moment. If it's taking longer, head back and tap Work at the bottom to view your results as they finish. Open each image to review details, compare variations, and make note of what you like for your next run. That's it. Your Instagram-ready visuals are created in Magnific AI Mobile, and you're set to iterate until you land the perfect post.